Hi, welcome back to my closet, and today I'm really excited because I get to do a collab with the PANtastic ladies collab, and it is called Lip Service. So this is kind of my intro. I'm a little bit late, so I'm just jumping in now, and I figured I'd just go ahead and put my video up now. So it's pretty open. We're just working through some lip products this year. It's just going to be a year-long project, and I will try to link the other ladies below, you know, whoever I can get. If I can find like a playlist or something, I can go ahead and put that below for you so you can see that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the products. It's kind of open to interpretation. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of trying to take one product from every category and work through those. So yeah, my first category is, I say a lot, don't I? My first category is a lip balm slash lip treatment. So you may recognize this. It's my Hanalei lip treatment. I don't have a ton left, but I just really want to get through this and get it out, and then I'll bring something else in its place. So that's for my lip treatment, lip balm type of a situation. And next I want to do a lip scrub, and I have this one from e.l.f. It's in Cherry Tart. So there's the plastic is down there, but so there it is. A little bit less than half, I would say, left on that. Actually, maybe a third left, because if you look, it's pretty deep in there. Anyway, so I just want to get through this so I can get to my next one, which I actually like better. So I'm gonna move that one out, and I will go ahead and mark these after I film this so that you can see where we're at. Then I wanted to get through a lip liner, and this is Model Co. Illusion Lip Liner, and I do like it, but I've had it for a while, and it's, you know, I could pan it. Put that in my, you know, keep it, pan it, toss it. Cat hair, sorry. Keep it, pan it, toss it. It was in that weekly makeup basket project that I'm working on, and I had decided to pan it, and I can link that up there if you need to check those out. It's probably not a bad idea. So anyway, this is my Model Co. Illusion Lip Liner. I'll put that on a paper so you can see it, but let's just, for now, we'll go ahead and start at the bottom of my hand, and you can see it's like up to that first knuckle there. So, and then for like a lipstick, I have, this is kind of, it's the Tarte Lip Surgeons in the shade Wonder. And yeah, I'll just show it to you. I've been working on this for a little while. It's in my box of things to pan, but there it is. It's got a little ways to go there, so probably almost half. Little sample, but it's kind of like a lip balm, but it's very opaque. So I'm calling it a minty tingly lipstick. So I want to get this out of my collection. I've had it too long. I just want to see it gone. Tired of panning it, really. It's just not my favorite color, but I do like it, and I have found ways to wear it, so it shouldn't be a problem. And then I have this, which also was in my 14 by Valentine's Day. So it's the Meet Matte Hues liquid lipstick in the shade Committed. And it's a mini, so it shouldn't take very long. Okay. So yeah, that's the liquid lipstick. And then in the lip gloss category, I have this Buxom. I will be done with this in no time because it's like literally at the bottom. It just seems to keep working. So when I'm done with that, I'm probably gonna just go ahead and roll this lip gloss from Noya in. You see that? It's so pretty. And I love this packaging. So, but you know, that's for when I'm done that one. But anyways, here we go. There's the Model Co. Illusion Lip Liner, the Tarte Lip Surgeons in Wonder, the Balm Liquid Lipstick in Committed, and Buxom White Russian. I didn't say that, but it's the White Russian. That's it for my lip service. And if you want to see more, just keep watching, subscribe. If you like it, hit the like button. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Like I say, go ahead and watch some of the other ladies or all of the other ladies that are doing this project. It's a lot of fun, and there are a bunch of us. So if you want to see more, there's plenty more. So check them out, and I will see you next time. Bye.